It was good, y'all. Today I want to talk about the recent, semi-recent, huge decline in the price of Bitcoin. Um, Honestly, I haven't really been keeping up much with the price of Bitcoin. I don't particularly trade cryptocurrency. I day trade futures. Um, but I just took a look at the price recently and plummeted all the way back down to $20,000 from, I believe at the height it was like almost around 70,000 or something like that. Uh, Now the question is, and the topic of this video is the price going back up? Will it go back up? And is it even worth? Is it even still profitable to trade cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin that has such a high volatility that when we're talking about such a high, a coin that has such a high volatility such as Bitcoin, a lot of people don't really understand why the volatility is so high for such a coin. And it's not just Bitcoin. I mean, there's Ethereum, there's Doge coin when it was that was trending. Um, but I don't think anything really comes close to the volatility of Bitcoin. And that's simply due to the fact that it's a worldwide, it's known worldwide, and everybody thinks Bitcoin is an anonymous cryptocurrency. It's something you want to hold. It's a good investment. It's widely pushed globally that it's boom, don't miss out, invest in this, and it's almost like a scare tactic. And I don't know if you guys know, but there's a large institutional traders known as a smart money. These are the people that are actually raking in millions, more than millions, honestly. But that's an understatement. They make money off of moves like this, and they actually control the market. And perhaps cryptocurrency, well, they do. Smart money does obviously control a large amount of the movements simply due to the law of supply and demand, cause and effect. When, they buy large shares, um, the price will fluctuate based on their orders because they're buying such high volumes of cryptocurrency that they move the market. Um, but that being said, this applies a lot more to futures, stocks, whatever the case may be. Cryptocurrency does have an element of unpredictability, um, especially Bitcoin. Anybody in the world at any time, the market doesn't shut down. Anybody, United States, India, China, Australia, anybody at any time could purchase any amount of Bitcoin they want, any amount. Like, it's highly unlikely unless you're trading, more multi millions, and even that's probably not enough. You're likely going to be able to get your order filled in a pretty short amount of time. The liquidity is pretty good. It's actually great. Um, but that also brings in with it, especially the market not closing at certain times, a huge element of randomness to the world of cryptocurrency, especially when you're day trading this and you're actually trying to make a living off of trading cryptocurrency. A lot of the tactics that are used, like successful tactics when day trading, are not, you know, they can apply and you could use, them to a certain degree when you're trading cryptocurrency, but more or less, just the degree of randomness that cryptocurrency brings kind of eliminates a lot of that because you could follow through with your trading plan. You could, not make a mistake. You could be, rock solid in terms of your trading plan. You don't, trade off emotions. You're just a very stoic trader, and that's a successful trader. You don't want to be breaking your trading plans. You may still take losses, And of course, you may still take losses in other fields, futures and whatever. But cryptocurrency, you may be on an amazing trade. You may be up, so and so. You're about to, and the market will just close or turn against you out of the blue. And that really, you really only see it happen on this magnitude with cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. So with that being said, I don't want to waffle on too long about this. I'm gonna make future videos. I also have a course coming out if you guys are interested. But the question today is, will Bitcoin, being one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, will it go back up? If you actually take a look at Google Trends, if you take a look at other trend sites and tools, you'll see that we've actually had quite a large decline in popularity, or at least searches online through search engines about Bitcoin. Of course, that has happened before, and they may spike right back up. But will it go back up to where it was, 60,000, 70,000, from where it is now? And of course, this could possibly highlight that word, be a great investment opportunity. That's crazy gains from 20,000. Even if you buy in around now and it goes up to 40,000. Now, I'm not encouraging anybody to do that at all. Myself, I'm not going to be doing that. But if you want to take that risk, that's up to you. That's huge gains on the table. And I'm not saying it's not going to do that. It very well may actually go right back up. And there's a good chance it might actually, because it's a scare tactic. Everybody thinks, oh, price is plummeting. So a lot of people may be buying now. A lot of people may lose ridiculous amounts of money because they think the price will go back up, and it might not. There might be another cryptocurrency that comes out that's better. People might not want to invest in it. Maybe too many people lost money. My advice, keep an eye on Bitcoin. Keep an eye on cryptocurrency. If you want to trade cryptocurrency, there is other cryptocurrencies that are a little bit more stable. Even Ethereum being a little bit more stable. But if you just go on, I'll even flash them on the screen. But if you go on the exchanges like Binance or etc., there's so many coins, and they'll actually show you their performances and whatever. I would, if you're going to be day trading a cryptocurrency, I would recommend to choose one that's a little bit more stable. Obviously, not a stable coin, but one that people are likely also going to be day trading, not just purchasing at random. You want to find one that's not popular, where some kid that's in grade 9 is like gonna spend his $1,000 his mama gave him on a get rich quick scheme of Bitcoin, right? You don't want that, because that will affect the market. It will, because you multiply that by 1 million kids, there's gonna be we have a population of 8 billion people in the world. It's gonna add up, and it's gonna affect the price of Bitcoin. You want to choose a coin that's not popular, like trend wise globally. You want to choose one that's popular amongst other people who are doing what you're doing. Day traders who are looking for, what I'm talking when I say day trading, my personal trading. I'm a scalper. I like to trade within 15 minutes maximum. But that's not day trading. You could hold your position for more than 15 minutes, an hour so plus. It's up to you. It's completely up to you. But yeah, that's just my thoughts on that. My another recommendation is to look into stocks. If you guys are not already trading stocks, they're a lot more predictable. They have certain market times, futures, everything. People actually, these are things that people are actually day trading and take serious careers. And you can pretty much, a lot of the strategies that I use, a lot of people use that may not work with cryptocurrency, work amazingly well with stocks and futures and etc. You could definitely make consistent profit with that. Something to consider. So I'm gonna wrap this video up, y'all. Holla at me if you have any questions. Leave comments. Donate cryptocurrency in the description. Join my Patreon. Yeah, holla at me.